Hello, love angels. It's your girl Shamika. Work for God's glory. Welcome back to Testimony Tuesday. So, God is so awesome. I know you guys know that, but I just had to say it again because for the past few episodes, I've kind of been led to speak on certain things, and I was like, all right, Testimony Tuesday. I have a few videos prepped, but I'm like, what am I going to post? And I'm actually, as you guys know, most of you know, I'm in school for health coaching, and as I'm in school and just practicing and learning a lot, I'm doing a few grocery shopping outings with a few of my clients. I'm working with a few people, and once a month I help them just read labels and just kind of see what they eat and just give tips and tricks here and there. So one of my clients, I go to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's, but she introduced me to a place called Wild by Nature. So I'm super excited. I'm waiting for her to come now, and I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek into the supermarket. Or the market. Yeah, supermarket. As soon as I get in there, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm here with Miss Barbara. She's the lovely lady who introduced me to this place. So I'm going to show you guys around as we start walking. Anything you want to say? Nope, not yet. Okay. So here are just some of their greens. So far, so good. I love that everything is organic. Yeah. Team organic.
Very much.
What they're all about, yeah. Organic mild vinegar. Well, I've been wanting to make some squash noodles.
I've done it once. I want to get the smiley.
I love that. We color code all our produce signs so you can easily see how they are grown. You could go, I don't get organically grown, conventionally grown. Alright guys, so I may have said in another video, and if I haven't, the numbers on the fruits and vegetables actually let you know if they're conventionally grown, if they're organic. What I love about this place is it actually labels conventional. But another way you can tell is, for instance, these tomatoes, conventional. And the number starts with a 4. Now, if you want to know if it's organic, it starts with a 9. Organic. 9. See? Alrighty.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yes.
You don't want to eat them. They're too pretty.
Right? Too pretty.
Very pretty.
But we gonna eat it. Yes,
I
we
am.
are.
Yes, we are. We're going to have it for Sunday dinner.
Yes, only do it. For all my meat lovers out there, here you go. They have, look, paleo, sugar-free, dry rubbed pork bacon. Look, they have natural black Angus. Lots and lots of, oh my gosh, here it is, Miss Barbara. The burgers. These are my favorite beyond the meat. These are awesome, guys. Awesome. If you haven't tried it, you must. Okay. I absolutely love Red Mill. I love this. Well, it's a mixture of everything. But I love it. Love it.
Just what spelled flour.
Uh-huh. Nice fish. We got crab cakes.
It says store salmon burgers. Doesn't say anything.
One of my favorite sections, ice cream, and this is my favorite. Which one? Coffee almond. And they got the Ben & Jerry's. I love Ben & Jerry's, the non-dairy. I love the fudge brownies.
They have a Ben & Jerry's, but non-dairy? Are you kidding me?
I usually do that. It's so delicious. The Ben & Jerry's is a little more, has more sugar, but delicious. She want to get it. Get it, get it.
Oh my God.
The excitement when we see ice cream. Get it.
I always get the toffee. Ben & Jerry's, I'm happy. It's not dairy.
Yeah.
No milk. No milk.
Yes, no milk, no milk.
It's on.
Look, guys. Another section I love. OMG, guys, I did not know that they make whipped cream for So Delicious, and they make Daya chocolate and strawberry and New York cheesecake. OMG. This is so awesome. OMG, OMG.
You know, my food to kick back.
Yeah.
Not kick me, but kick back.
Not kick me. Guys, they have the cheese, the Daya, they have shredded, they have the big block. I love this place. They have my organic tofu,
Have you ever had the
tempeh.
How is it?
I like it. And that's actually the brand. Here's some kombucha.
Right. I'm gonna try it one day.
Cheeses.
Naomi
They
gave
even
me some
have. How's she?
She's good crazy.
They even got the green cheese. Alright guys, look at all of this hummus. They have Mediterranean, balsamic,
We make
caramelized
it fresh in
onion.
the store too.
Yeah?
I only have a little bit out there now, so I would suggest waiting if you want to try ours. I think I'm gonna make a fresh batch on Monday.
Oh, thank
But
you.
like after that, if you want to try ours, it's really good.
You heard that, guys? They make it fresh in store.
That's it.
Look, they have zucchini pancakes, veggie burgers. This place is awesome. I will be back. I will definitely be back. I hope you guys come and visit as well.
I want to try one of the veggie balls.
Oh, black beans, red bell peppers, green bell peppers. Yeah, I can even eat that. Look, guys, they even do a juice bar. They got wraps. They got sushi. Awesome, awesome. Sushi. For my sushi lovers out there. This looks awesome. Guys, I keep videotaping because I'm just amazed. Eggplant rollatini. They have baked breaded eggplant. What do you see over there? What were you looking at here? They have meatball parms, chicken noodle soup.
10 vegetable soup. Vegetarian split pea beef bone. New England clam chowder and
I used to love New England clam chowder.
Never liked it.
All right, guys, we are about to try these veggie balls together. All right, I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. I'm holding.
Ooh, it's actually good.
It's good. What I did was I put it in my mouth and I bit into it once you bit into it, so we did the same time. It's good. It's really good.
Gotta come try it.
I loved Wild by Nature. Thank you so much for introducing me.
Welcome. Thank you.
You guys have to come. This place is awesome.
It's a
All
little
right.
pricey, but it's worth the price. And it's worth your help.
Yes, it is. Health as well. All right, guys. Well, thank you for visiting for God's glory. I can't see you guys right now, but I can't wait to see you back next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.